Good morning to all. I'm audible to everyone.
जी मैम. Yes मैम.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So everyone mark your attendance. What we have studied in last class?
मैम GIS, GPS एंड रिमोट सेंसिंग स्टार्ट हुआ था.
Okay. So GPS, we discussed about GPS. So GPS almost completed. हम लोग को GPS का बहुत थोड़ा ही पोर्शन पढ़ना था, तो that portion is almost completed. So now start remote sensing and GIS.
GIS पढ़ाए थे.
Yes, बोलो.
GIS मैम पढ़ाए थे, GPS अभी शुरू भी नहीं हुआ था.
GIS. Okay, so now we start about remote sensing. ठीक है. तो जीपीएस के बारे में क्या क्या पढ़े हो? लास्ट क्लास में जो भी पढ़ाया गया था अबाउट जीआईएस, तो हैव यू रिमेम्बर जीआईएस, important point about GIS, how GIS work? GIS कैसे करता है, कोई बताओ? Component of GIS already discussed in class, so this is component of GIS, how GIS works. कोई जवाब दो मुझे. Amrita, are you listen me? Ankit Rajak, Ankit, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. तुमने लास्ट क्लास अटेंड किया था?
मैम नहीं है मैम.
क्या याद नहीं है? क्लास अटेंड किए थे ये याद नहीं है, या क्या पढ़े हो ये याद नहीं है?
मैम क्या पढ़े ये याद नहीं है.
क्यों याद नहीं है? नोटबुक तो होगा, अपलोड कर देखो. कौन बता सकते हो? सुमित प्रधान, सुमित, सुमित, आर यू हेयर? सुमित, सुमित प्रधान. सुमित प्रधान, अगर तुम प्रेजेंट नहीं हो और अगर तुम्हारा अटेंडेंस मार्क अभी किया हुआ तो मैं रिमूव कर दूंगी. अनुज ओरांव, चंद्र विकास, ये लोग क्लास में है या नहीं है? एवरीवन प्लीज ऑन योर वीडियो. Please on your video, everyone. Please on your video. Only 2 are okay. अंकित एंड अमृता, श्री राम चौहान और बाकी लोग। सुमित गोरे, सुमित, उमंग कुमार, उमंग, आर यू हेयर उमंग?
Yes, ma'am.
सूरज राम,
यस मैम, लाइट कटा हुआ।
दिन में भी इतने अंधेरे हैं तुम्हारे रूम में? सूरज, कैलाश कुमार, वेयर आर यू?
लाइट कटा हुआ था।
अच्छा, लाइट कटा हुआ है, इतने अंधेरे हैं तुम्हारे कमरे में। बाकी लोग अनुज और
मैम, अभी
सुमित
लाइट
पर,
कटा हुआ।
सुमित, आकाश गो। तो जो लोग का वीडियो ऑन नहीं हो पाया है अभी तक, मैं उन लोग को अटेंडेंस से भी रिमूव करूंगी। तो फेक अटेंडेंस तुम लोग आज के बाद नहीं बनाओगे, और अगर अटेंडेंस बनाते हो तो क्लास में प्रेजेंट रहा करो।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। मेरा मैम स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है मैम।
क्या नहीं स्टार्ट हुआ है?
मतलब मैं वीडियो स्टार्ट नहीं किया हूँ, तो अभी ज्वाइन किया हूँ।
तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करो। ओके, सो लास्ट क्लास में तुम लोगों को जीआईएस के बारे में बताया गया था। सो टुडे वी स्टार्ट अबाउट रिमोट सेंसिंग, और अगेन वी डिस्कस अबाउट जीआईएस एट द एंड ऑफ दिस टॉपिक. Okay, so remote sensing and GIS and GPS, these three are linked. So now we start about remote sensing, then after GIS and GPS also discussed later. Okay, so I share my screen. So important point you have to note down on your notebook. Okay, जो भी important point होंगे सब लोग note down कर लेना. So screen is visible to all. So this is the syllabus in your syllabus also of related to remote sensing. So first is the introduction of remote sensing, that means the definition, principle, history of remote sensing, and India remote sensing. So in India, what type of remote sensing and what type of satellite is used. Second topic is the type of remote sensing, sensor system. Then part of the sensor system is the active system, passive system. Okay. Next is the remote sensing platform. So we have already discussed in GIS also, there is a platform. So in remote sensing also used a platform. Remote sensing system, so ideal system, real system, optimal, thermal, microwave system. So these are the remote sensing system. Next part of remote sensing is the electromagnetic energy. Okay, so basically remote sensing portion is the these four introduction types of remote sensing: sensor system, remote sensing platform, and remote sensing system. And from the 5th to 11th, this is the based on working principle of remote sensing. Either we can say कि इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव के थ्रू ही हमारा क्या होता है, रिमोट सेंसिंग यूज होता है. सो वी हैव ऑल्सो डिस्कस्ड, क्या हमें क्या डिस्कस करना होगा, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव. दैट पार्ट इज यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड इन योर 12th है ना, 11-12 इन फिजिक्स। सो सेम हमें भी कुछ पढ़ना है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स एंड इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक एनर्जी के बारे में, ठीक है। सो दीज आर ऑल्सो थियोरेटिकल पोर्शन। So electromagnetic energy, electromagnetic spectrum, electromagnetic radiation, that is effect of atmosphere scattering process and observation process. Okay. Next is the energy interaction. So energy interaction about electromagnetic energy. Image resolution, that is the result of remote sensing. Okay. So image resolution in remote sensing. So resolution, introduction of image resolution, types of image resolution. Next topic is the application of remote sensing, advantage and disadvantage of remote sensing. Okay. So these portion we have to studied in this chapter. From sensing, introduction of remote sensing. So first, I want to know from your side, where we use remote sensing? What is the application of remote sensing or usage of remote sensing? कहाँ पे हम लोग यूज करते हैं? Any idea? Uses of remote sensing? Please answer. कहाँ पे यूज करते हैं रिमोट सेंसिंग? कोई तो कुछ बोलो, किसी को तो कुछ पता होगा। रिमोट सेंसिंग का एप्लीकेशन क्या है?
मैम अलाइनमेंट वगैरह में यूज करते हैं।
अलाइनमेंट, किस टाइप का अलाइनमेंट?
मैम रोड का जो अलाइनमेंट होता है उसमें।
So which type of information we can collect from remote sensing? Means that remote sensing is a new word from you side, है ना? तुम लोगों के लिए, सबके लिए रिमोट सेंसिंग नया वर्ड है, कभी नहीं सुने हो, ऐसा है क्या? कोई भी एक यूज नहीं बता पा रहे हो, रिमोट सेंसिंग का यूज कहाँ पे होता है?
मैम एलिवेशन।
एलिवेशन। So we can use remote sensing for the any kind of information about earth, about weather, है ना? तो किसी भी टाइप का इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोग रिमोट सेंसिंग के हेल्प से ले सकते हैं। आइदर वेदर, क्लाइमेट कंडीशन, आइदर जियोग्राफिकल इंफॉर्मेशन, आइदर वेटलैंड इंफॉर्मेशन। ओके, सो जितना यूज हमारा जीआईएस का है, जितना एप्लीकेशन, उतना ही यूज हमारा रिमोट सेंसिंग का है। ओके, सो इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ रिमोट सेंसिंग, दैट इज start from the definition of remote sensing. Okay, so remote sensing is the science and art of obtaining information about an object, area or phenomena. So object means what? Object means what? About building, about wetland, about geographical information, about any area, that is a particular city, particular village, particular agricultural area, ठीक है, particular flood area, drought area, and also phenomena. So phenomena means climatic phenomena, any disaster, है ना? तो इस तरह का information we can get from we can obtain from remote sensing, with the help of remote sensing. And how we can find this type of information? So through the analysis of data acquired by a device that is not in contact with the object, area, or phenomena under investigation. So similar as GIS, without contacting the object, area, or phenomena, we can collect data with the help of remote sensing system. So what is remote sensing? Remote sensing is a science and art. Okay, it is a technique. It is a scientific technique. It is an artificial technique to obtain any kind of information about any object, about any area, or about any phenomena. Okay, this point is clear. Definition is clear. Okay, so remote sensing is a science of obtaining and interpreting information from a distance using sensors that are not in physical contact with the object being observed. Okay, similar as photogrammetry. फोटोग्रामेट्री में हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे? इन फोटोग्रामेट्री also it is not necessary that observer is contact with object, but observer collect the data, collect the photograph, and after analyzing the photograph we can find our answer. Okay, we can able to analyze this object. So similar in remote sensing also, remote sensing using a sensor and not in physical contact, it collect data and it interpret this information, interpret or analyze this data and find the result or find the correct observation from the object. Okay, so what is the principle of remote sensing? So principle is the target, transmission, and sensor from the energy source. So component of a remote sensing is a target, energy source, transmission path, and sensor. These are the component of remote sensing. First component is the target. What do you mean by target? Target means object, area, or any phenomena about which we want to collect data or we want to analyze this object. So object is the target or any area is the target. Second is the energy source. Energy source, then transmission path, then sensor. These are the component of remote sensing. So what about target? So target is the object or material that is being studied. The component in the system work together to measure and record information about the target without actually coming into physical contact with it. So what is target? Target is the object and that object about which we want to collect data. Okay. So next is the energy source. So energy source is illuminate or provide electromagnetic energy that किसी का ऑडियो ऑन है, so please mute your audio. सूरज, Suraj, please mute your audio. Suraj Ram, are you here, Suraj? So energy source is the illuminate or provide electromagnetic energy to the target, and the energy interacts with the target depending on properties of target and the radiation and will act as medium or transmitting information from the target to the sensor. So energy source is the source, just like a sun. Sun is the source of our energy. Okay, so here also for the remote sensing, for the working of remote sensing, a source is provide. That source is electromagnetic energy source. Okay, so the energy interact with target. What energy? What type of energy? Electromagnetic wave. So that electromagnetic wave first interact to the target. Target means object, and depending on the properties of target and the radiation, it will act as medium for transmitting information to the target or center. Okay, so energy source क्या करता है? Energy source energy source means electromagnetic wave energy. Okay, electromagnetic source. So electromagnetic source in form of electromagnetic wave, it hit to target and again reflect the electromagnetic wave to the sensor, and in this process returning electromagnetic wave give information about the target. Next is the sensor. So a remote device that will collect and record the electromagnetic radiation. Sensor can be used to measure energy that is given off or emitted by the target, reflected of the target, or transmitted through the target. So see this example, this line diagram. Here is the energy source, here is the target, transmission and sensor. So this is the object about which we want to analyze this target. Either this target is object, either this is an area, or either this is a phenomena. So this energy source of electromagnetic wave. This energy source is the electromagnetic wave. So this wave is hit to target. Okay, and again this wave reflect move again in form of transmission wave and reach to sensor, and at sensor this target, this wave, returning wave give some data or information about this target. So this is the process of remote sensing. So sensor, what is sensor? Sensor is a remote device that will collect and record the electromagnetic wave, and also sensor can be used to measure the energy that is given off or emitted by the target. That means the reflected wave. Okay, that means the reflected wave from the target and reached to the sensor, and this reflected wave carry lots of information about the target, about the object, and transmitted through the target. So the resulting set of data is transmitted to a receiving station where the data are processed into a usable format, and which is most often as an image, and the image is then interpreted in order to extract information about the target. So this is the target. Target means our object area. This is the sensor. Sensor. Later we know about sensor in detail. Sensor means satellite. So this sensor, and here is the working station. Working station similar as photogrammetric station. Okay, here is also a working station. So at a station we can analyze the data, analyze the image, interpret the image. Here is the source. So from source, electromagnetic wave hit to the target, and this wave again transmit to sensor, and here sensor again give the information to the working station, and at working station there is a system available. So from this rays, from this transmission wave, we can collect different types of information, and that resulting set of data is transmitted from the sensor receiving at working station, are processed and what, and usable format, and convert into usable format. Usable format means what? That means easy to study. So that data we can easily study, or we can easily analyze that image or data, and that image is interpreted in order to extract information from the target. So this interpretation can be done visually or electronically with the aid of computer and image processing software. So where computer and image processing software is stable? Where situated? At working station. Okay, so at working station, computer and image processing software are available, and with the help of this computer and software, the returning wave from the sensor, we can analyze or interpret the image and data in easy way. So how it is work? So this is the working condition. So see the image carefully. So here yellow mark is the source. This is the source. This is the source. This is the satellite. Okay. So energy source may be passive, may be active. Atmosphere is also available. Energy source is where situated at atmosphere. Target is stable at any place. This is the target. So recording device, transmission, reception, processing, interpretation, and application. These are the processing. These are the processing phenomena. These are the process of remote sensing. Okay. So either active or passive energy source hit the target, and from the target reflected rays received by sensor or satellite. Okay. Receiving ray is captured by sensor, and this sensor again send the data to the working station. So how at working station, software or computer is also available. So from the computer and software, or with the help of computer and software, again this data or images is convert into usable form, or analyzing form, processing form, interpret the in easy form to what? To study about our target. So these are the processing of remote sensing. So familiar form of remote sensing, that is the medical imaging technology, that is the MRI. So MRI system. So MRI system, sonography system, or X-ray imaging system, these are the similar of remote sensing. Okay, so either MRI, sonography, or X-ray system, working principle is similar of remote sensing. So how it is work? X-ray. How it is work? X-ray का process क्या है? What is the process of X-ray? कोई ना कोई तो कभी एक्सरे करवाए होगे ना? क्या प्रोसेस है? X-ray, MRI and sonography. एटलीस्ट एक्सरे का तो जानते होगे। एक्सरे क्या करता है, एक्सरे में हम लोग जब जाते हैं तो क्या है प्रोसेस एक्सरे का? Suraj, please mute your audio. Suraj Ram. Suraj, can you hear me, Suraj? So what is X-ray system? क्या होता है एक्सरे सिस्टम में? X-ray system is also based on electromagnetic wave. That wave is the X-ray wave. X-ray is what? A type of electromagnetic. So X-ray image, how it is formed? Through X-ray rays are passed our body. So our body is a target for X-ray system. Okay, and about our body, this give a image. So from X-ray we can receive information about